6 sides. Today I have a huge unboxing from the cubicle, cubicle.com. So let's get right into it. In here I have a few things that I'm really excited about. So let's open this thing up. Okay. Let's do this again. Oh wait, no, it's open. Okay, so the first thing in here is, yes, Celeritas. So this is region, I don't know. This is region A, and this is region B. I think adding more of one and then more of another will create different results. So that's good. Also, this is what I'm most excited about. This is the gift card wrapped in a receipt. Oh yes. Oh, not a gift card. I mean the Happy Holidays. Get the Happy Holidays business card, and this is you'll know what's in this package. After that, come on, open. Why? Okay. This is the Vault 3 Elite. So, it has that little indent in it. And as you can see, I got the stickerless version. So, let's get right into it. Let's see, can I open this without scissors? This actually took not that long to get. Stop. That's my brother, by the way. Okay, there we go. There we go. So let's open this baby up. I kind of sketched, but I'm pretty sure I'll throw this box anyways. Okay. Now for the hard part. No, that's not hard. Oh yeah, this is the sweet spot. Let's take the cube out, and there's 4 boxes. One that has D, C, B, and A. So I guess A, B, C, D. We'll open those in alphabetical order. This is the Vault 3 and plastic wrap. Great. Good job. Cubes these days have so much packaging. Okay. This. Okay. Okay, now you gotta be kidding me. Okay. Kind of slippery, not much. And it's actually pretty fast right out of the box. And the end places are a bit slow, but that's not really much of a problem. It's a bit sandy, but really smooth and fast, which I really like. I'm not really used to no ridges because, if you see, because my last main was the GTS 3M. This can be anyone's main, even right out of the box. The magnets are very present here. And you can feel the click a lot. So let's see what is in these boxes. Starting off with A. Okay, here's the different. These are the different. This is the magnetized center caps. I'm pretty sure this is the medium setting. These are the others here. Next off with C. Oh wait, no, B. Why C here? I'm pretty sure they labeled these so that you can, probably the best way to open it. And these are the non-magnet versions, non-magnet center caps. Green. Okay. So, and then let's go for C. I'm not sure what's in here. Let's see. Okay, the different spring things, just like the cans, the air. So in this one is just all the accessories that you'll find in every Volk. The card, Matt's Volk, tensioning, Matt's Volk again, the cube again on thinner paper, wipe, a sticker with the cube on it, cube name on it, and these are some extra logos, I guess. So that's basically all that's in this package. This is just a whole big mess right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Definitely going to do a review on this. And it can be a one-handed main too. Wow. I'm going to do a lot of solves on this. This is just amazing. So, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, click that notification button so you won't miss the review on this cube or any else of my uploads. And I hope you guys like this video, and bye!